Hi, this is Seoul's,
성수동.
full of red brick buildings and lovely cafes. Today, let's learn to describe a person's
외모,
looks and
성격,
personality in Korean. When we introduce a friend or describe someone, we say how they look.
생기다,
And there,
성격,
just two things, looks and personality. We describe people mostly with
형용사,
adjectives, words for qualities. Let's meet today's expressions one by one walking through.
성수동,
First, height. If someone is tall,
키가 크다,
that person walking by.
키가 커요.
The opposite,
키가 작다,
short,
작다,
is the adjective for small. A child is.
키가 작아요.
Now hairstyle. Long hair.
머리가 길다,
That cafe owner has.
머리가 길어요.
Short hair
머리가 짧다, 짧다,
is for short length. The barista has.
머리가 짧아요.
If something is lovely to look at,
예쁘다,
pretty, use it for people and things alike. This flower and that person are.
예뻐요.
For a handsome face.
잘생기다,
Often used for men but not only.
잘생겼어요. 성수동,
Is full of stylish people, right? For someone chic and impressive.
멋있다,
That outfit is really.
멋있어요.
Slim and trim.
날씬하다,
And if someone wears glasses.
안경을 쓰다.
Now personality. Warm and helpful to others.
친절하다,
Kind. The cafe staff in.
성수동,
Are really.
친절해요.
Kind-hearted and helpful.
착하다,
Similar to.
친절하다,
But.
착하다,
Is about the heart. That child is.
착해요.
Fun to be around and funny.
재미있다,
The opposite is.
재미없다,
My friend is so.
재미있어요.
Quiet and calm, few words.
조용하다,
The opposite of loud. That customer is always.
조용해요.
Bright and full of energy.
활발하다,
Lively. The opposite of quiet. The kids running around.
성수동,
Are.
활발해요.
Bright and clever.
똑똑하다,
Smart. Understands anything quickly. That student is very.
똑똑해요.
Now let's learn.
고,
Which joins two things in one sentence. It's easy. Take an adjective's base form drop.
다,
And add.
고, 크다,
Becomes.
크고, 작다,
Becomes.
작고, 길다,
Becomes.
길고.
Only the last word gets the polite ending and the first one just stays.
고,
Let's build one.
키가 크다,
And.
친절하다,
The first becomes.
크고,
The last stays.
친절해요.
Together.
키가 크고 친절해요.
Tall and kind. Looks first, personality second. One more.
머리가 길다.
And
예쁘다. 길다.
becomes.
길고. 예쁘다.
Becomes.
예뻐요.
So,
머리가 길고 예뻐요.
long hair and pretty. See the pattern? You can join two looks or two personalities too.
재미있다.
And
활발하다.
become.
재미있고 활발해요.
Fun and lively. 2 or 3 just keep linking with.
고.
Now describe people in.
성수동.
One is
키가 작고 조용해요.
short and quiet. Another is
멋있고 똑똑해요.
cool and smart. Freely link looks and personality with.
고.
Let's introduce a friend with all we learned.
제 친구는 머리가 길고 친절해요. 그리고 정말 재미있어요.
Linking sentences makes an introduction flow. Let's wrap up. Looks.
크다. 작다. 길다. 짧다. 예쁘다. 멋있다.
Personality.
친절하다. 착하다. 조용하다. 활발하다. 똑똑하다.
And link the two with.
고.
Now as you walk, describe people in your head.
저 사람은 키가 크고 멋있어요.
That person is tall and cool. A little each day and you'll improve fast. You did great today. Now you can describe someone's looks and personality, linked with.
고.
Beautifully. Try introducing the people around you with today's expressions. See you next time.
안녕히 가세요.